Hello friends, welcome back to Cool IT Help. In this tutorial session, we are going to learn how to share the files and folders from Mac to Windows PC. During the session, we will learn how to share files and folders from Mac to Windows without using any third-party software. With the help of this method, you can transfer the large files from Mac to Windows PC, and you can do the same file transfer from Windows PC to Mac. Let's begin. So I have noted down the steps and the important note for you. So first we will see what is the important note. The first prerequisites. You must make sure your Mac and Windows PC must be connected with the same Wi-Fi or local network. In this example, I have connected my Mac and Windows laptop with the same Wi-Fi network. Let's begin with the step 1. In the first step, we need to enable the file sharing settings here on the Mac system. Once we do it, we will directly jump to the step 2. Then we will move to the Windows laptop and then we will see how to access the shared folder, and we will do some copy and paste action there. Let's begin. Go to this Apple icon, click, then go to the system settings. Okay, on this window, on the left hand side, click on this general. Then you will see some options. On the right hand side, click on the sharing. Then go to the top and you have this option file sharing. Please enable this toggle button. And in front of that, you have this small eye icon. Just click on it. Then this small pop-up window will appear. So here we have to see this is enabled or not. If this toggle button is disabled, please enable it, right? Also, we make sure that the second toggle button also enable. On the right hand side, you can see the users. So this will show the list of the users that you have configured on your Mac. On the left hand side, we can select the folder which we want to share, right? So in this example, I have created one folder and I have added this in a shared folders list. We can perform this activity. Again, let's create one sample folder. Suppose I have created this one, right? And now I will add this here on the left hand side in this shared folders list. Go to this plus icon, click on it, and then with the help of this file explorer, just visit the location and just select that folder and click open, and that folder will be added here in this shared folders list. On the right hand side, you can see we have one user with the permission read and write. Now click on this options button. When you come here, you can see this toggle button will be enabled by default, right? And we have to make sure this must be enabled. Come to this section, Windows file sharing. When you open this window first time, then you will see the user's name, okay, and that those checkbox will be blanked. So we have to select one user. So I'm going to select the first user which has a maximum privilege read write. Just select the user and then we have to give the password for that user. So just type the password and click OK. Then again click done. Okay, we are all set up. Then finally click on done and close the rest of the windows. Now one more thing you have to note down. On the same pop-up window, please see this selected IP address. So this is the IP address. With the help of this IP address, we will go on the Windows laptop and then we can able to access the files and folders shared from this Mac system. Okay, now we are at the step 2. In this step 2, we simply move to the Windows laptop. Let me open the Windows laptop. Now we are here on the Windows laptop. The activity we have to perform initially, the first step is here on this. Go to the settings, then click on the network and internet option. On the right hand side, click on this advanced network settings Then you have to come at this place, advanced sharing settings, click on it, and then you will see some options here. So first, enable this toggle button network discovery and enable the file and printer sharing. Then come to the all networks, come at this place, enable public folder sharing, right? And you make sure the password protected sharing toggle button is enabled. See here, we have all these toggle buttons enabled. Once we do it, we can simply open any folder and go to this address bar location, and you just type the IP address which we have noted down on the Mac system. So that was 192.168.0.107. When you hit enter, this will ask you the username and password. This is the Mac username and password. So we have to give the user and the password for that, and simply press OK button. Once you press it, you will see all the shared folder from the Mac are visible here on this window, and you can simply browse it. So this was the folder and there's nothing, so we simply try to create one file. So we will see we have proper privilege, read and write privilege or not. So I have created one text file. This is created successfully. So this one is my first folder which I have shared, and this folder has one file. Let's copy the file from the shared folder and trying to copy here on my Windows laptop. So I'm going to select a folder on my Windows laptop and I will copy the video file from Mac to this Windows laptop. Let's paste it here. So file copying process is going smoothly, and file will be copied soon. Okay, it's done. So we have successfully copied one video file from Mac system to here on Windows laptop. Now again we will try to share the files from my Windows laptop to the Mac folder, right? Now I'm going to connect it again because we have not saved the credentials. So I have to check this box, and then again you do not need to enter the user ID and password. So I have just opened the Mac folder, and I'm going to copy a video file from my laptop to Mac folder. Let's try this thing. And here we go. Now the file is going to be copied at this place. Okay, is it working properly? So we are able to copy the files from the Mac to my Windows laptop. Also, we are able to copy my Windows laptop files to Mac system. So friends, this was the way we can share the files and folders from Mac to Windows PC. Also, we can copy and paste the files from Windows PC to Mac. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please hit the like button and please subscribe to support. And for now, thanks for watching.